In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a profitable campaign in which we're going to be promoting CPA offers using push notifications. This video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to cover everything from A to Z. First of all, we're going to pick a CPA offers in one of my special CPA network. Then we're going to spy on already winning ads, and we're going to copy them for ourselves using this secret spy tool that I'm going to share with you guys in this video. And I'm also going to show you how to set up a push notifications campaign so you can promote your CPA offers. Hey guys, my name is Damien Belak. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe below if you're new, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, make sure to like this video to support this channel. Now, before I get started, I want to ask you guys one question, so make sure to comment down below. How much money have you made with CPA affiliate marketing so far? So this is something I'm curious about, so make sure to comment down below. Now, without further ado, I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's get started right now. So guys, the first step is to sign up to a CPA network called CPA House. Now before you sign up, go to Google Translate extension and add this extension to Google Chrome, because CPA House is a Russian network and many of their offers and descriptions are in Russian. So you can head over and click on English, okay? And the Chrome extension is going to help us out with the offer selection. Now, this is one of the best CPA networks in the industry. They have super high rates, quick payouts. They have thousands of offers from different GEO locations. So there's literally hundreds of different offers that you can choose from. So make sure to create a free account. I'm going to do it right now, and I'll see you just in a second. So this is the dashboard. It's very straightforward. Here you have the account manager, so if you have any questions or you need help with anything, you can just reach out to them. These are your leads for today and how much you have earned. And on the right side down here, you can see a quick overview of the offers, the new offers and the recommended. Now, the first step right now is to add our traffic source or push notification traffic source. So go down and click on sources. Now I have already added my traffic source and we're going to be using push.house. All right. So this is one of the best push notification traffic sources. There's many out there, Propeller ads, AdStera, so on and so forth, but I like push.house. So what you want to do is click on add new source. Source name is push house and the source link is http:/push.house. Now for the source description, you can just add something like push notifications, right? Now you can click on add. So once you add push.house, you should see something like this saying that you have been accepted. So now it's time to pick an offer. Now you have two options here. You can either go to top offers. So these are the best performing offers on CPA House. Now bear in mind that a lot of these offers are adult offers, and I cannot promote those types of offers on my YouTube channel because my YouTube video would be taken down. So you can either go here, okay, and look at these offers. For example, this one has a payout of $9, a conversion rate of 0.21%, and an approval rate of 15%. All right, so we're gonna go to offers down here. We're gonna filter these offers. Now for this video, I have decided that I'm gonna promote a Indian offer because I have a lot of viewers and subscribers from India. We're gonna be promoting an Indian offer with push notifications. So I'm gonna filter and go with India, all right? And I'm gonna click on apply. And now let's see what's available for us. All right, so these are all added offers. Let's look at this, Keto Fit Pro. So now we're gonna open our Google Translate tool that I showed you guys, and we're gonna click on translate this entire page. So as you can see, this has a conversion rate of 0.05%, which is pretty good with push notifications, and this is a capsules for weight loss. And as you can see down here, we can promote this offer with push notifications. So this has a payout of $5, unlimited conversions, and this already has pre-made landing pages that we can use. For example, this one has a conversion rate of 0.11%. These are all split tested by the network, so we can choose this one, okay? So we can preview it in a new window. This is a value post. So we can once again, we can translate this and we can see that this is an actual post. It looks pretty good. It has a lot of value for the readers and it really hooks attention. So this is a weight loss product with a already pre-made landing page. So all we have to do is get people to this exact page, okay? And when someone buys this product through our link, then we make a commission. So we can go back. So what you want to do now is hit landing page B, scroll up and add the flow name. So this is the Keto Fit Pro. This is for our reference, and add the traffic source, which is push.house. Now you want to scroll down and save and get link. So the flow is created successfully. So when you click on flows, you should see that you should see the offer right here. So here it says that we have not selected a landing page. So all you have to do is click on edit. Okay, click on landing page type B, click on save and get link, and we should have it ready. All right, now this is the flow link. Here is your domain, so you can pick one of these, and here's your advertiser network. So we're gonna click on push.house. These are your sub IDs, and this is your link for traffic. So we can copy this and we're gonna use it in just a second. So now what you wanna do is head over to spy.house. This is the secret spy tool that is very, very powerful. And this is a spy tool that grabs winning and profitable ad formats, ad campaigns that are already being promoted online. And we have access to these, and we can copy these word for word, image by image, and use this for ourselves. Now there's a lot of adult campaigns, adult offers being promoted all over the internet. So I cannot, go from scratch because this YouTube video will be taken down. So what I did was I just searched for the product name. So this is the Keto Fit Pro. So as you can see, I just copied the name of the product. All right. And I have gotten a result. Okay. I've gotten 4 results actually. So 4 ads are being advertised online promoting this exact product. And as you can see down here, when you click on this little icon, how many times the parser encountered this creative. If the number continues to grow, then the creative is active. So as you can see, this has 145 rating. So this number tells me that this campaign is still active and that it's still being promoted, which means it's still making money. So now I can click on it. Okay, I can click on it. And here is the information of the ad. This is how it looks like online on mobile and desktop. This is the push notification. So you guys may be wondering, what are push notifications? So simply said, a push notification is a short message that appears as a pop-up on your desktop browser, mobile home screen, or in your device notification center from a mobile app. Now, push notifications are typically opt-in alerts that display text or rich media like images or buttons, which enable a user to take a specific action. So this is a great traffic source for us CPA marketers because we want people to take action on our website. So organizations use push notifications as a marketing or communication channel, but they can also be used as a security mechanism. So now you can go back to the ad creative and you can go to your Google Translate tool and translate this page. So you can check out what the ad format says. So the title is the Keto Fit Pro 100% effect, shocking weight loss, mother of 3 children, so on and so forth. And these are your images. So you can just go over the ad. You can look at the image. You can look at the desktop version, the mobile version. You can check out the title text. You can download these if you want. And in just a second, I'm going to show you how to grab this entire ad and use it for ourselves and start sending traffic to this exact landing page that's going to make us money. So now the next step is to create a campaign using push.house. Now this is one of the best push notification networks online. So what you want to do is create a free account, and obviously this is not going to be for free, but I believe that their minimum deposit is about $50. So you can deposit $50 and test out a few campaigns for yourself. You never know, you might end up spending $50 and making $200, $300, $500 back on your first campaign. Now remember guys, this is all about testing different offers, different campaigns, different traffic sources. So go ahead, if you want to test this out for yourself, deposit $50. You can do exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So now what you want to do is click on push and create a campaign. This is the part where we're going to create the actual campaign. So the title is Keto Fit Pro. So this is for our reference. And here we're going to paste the affiliate link. So go back to CPA House and grab your little affiliate link. So, okay, let's go back here. I'm going to click on this, push house, and this is my affiliate link. I'm going to copy it once again and paste it inside here. So these are sub IDs for detailed tracking. So if you want to use these, feel free to do so. Now what you want to do is scroll down and select countries and India, since we're going to be promoting Keto Fit Pro, which is an Indian offer. So now what you want to do is just copy the title, paste it inside there, and obviously I'm going to put this back since this is for Indians. So this is the text and this is the title, right? Now we're going to scroll down, and the city is all, because it doesn't really matter. We're going to be targeting all cities in India, and the CPC is the cost per click, on how much we're going to bid per one single click. Now the minimum, you can use the minimum, but I recommend going to network volume, and you can go down and look at India, right? And this is the CPC minimum, recommended, and maximum. So as you can see, for mobile, the minimum is 0.002 and the recommended is 0.004. For desktop, it's 0.002. So we can use 0.004 for our recommended cost per click. So this is going to be for best results. We're going to be using both mobile and desktop, and once we have some details, some results, some conversions, then we can maybe change up what's working better, either mobile, or we can direct it to desktop. And we can also leave subscription age all, OS version Android all, browser language all. And once we spend, let's just say $5, $10, $20, and we have some statistics in our back office, and then we can look and compare, and then we can optimize the campaign. Now here you also want to add the icon and the image, so you can go to spy.house and download both of these. All right, so just download them and upload them. So upload the icon and also upload the image. All right, something like this, and also upload the image. Okay. Like that, okay? So the campaign schedule, you can leave this on all days, and this is the most important part. This is the total budget limit in dollars. So if you want to spend a total of $50 for the entire campaign, you can do that just to test it out. But what I like to do is I like to go daily budget of $10 or $20, and after a few days, once I have some statistics in my back office, I can compare if desktop performs better or mobile traffic, Android or OS, and so on and so forth. But basically, it's completely up to you. If you have $20 to spend, you can spend $20. If you have, $5 per day, you can do $5 per day. This is completely up to you. So down here, you're going to click on add. This is the uniqueness of the campaign, and adult 18 plus. This is not an adult offer, so click on no. And this is the feed. You can leave this exactly how it is. And once you have some money in your push.house account, you can click on save, and then it takes a few hours for the campaign to go live. So you can deposit $50 right here, and you can test this campaign out for yourself. You can spend $5 per day for like 2 to 3 days, and then you're gonna have some results in your CPA House back office. Now it usually takes a few hours for you to start seeing some results, and in a few hours you're gonna start seeing clicks, maybe some conversions in your CPA House statistics back office. Now in a few days you can look at the stats, and then you can start optimizing the campaign. So you can check out if you have more conversions on mobile, more conversions on desktop, if Android is performing better than OS, and you get the point. That's how you start optimizing the campaign. Now guys, CPA marketing with push ads is all about testing different offers and testing different campaigns. Bear in mind, you might get lucky. Yes, of course, you might end up spending $50 and you might end up making $500 back. That's possible, but most of the times you need to test different types of offers, see what works, see what doesn't work for yourself, because practice makes perfect. Because you can't get good at something if you don't actually implement and take action. All right, that's just how it is. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave a link to all of these 3 awesome websites below, so you can use the CPA House to pick an actual offer. You can use spy.house to spy on different campaigns. Make sure to check that the ad is active, so you don't just copy an inactive campaign. And then sign up to push.house, and then create a push house account. You can deposit $50. You can test out a campaign for yourself. You can see if it works for you or not. You never know, guys. You might end up finding a winning campaign in your first go. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like below this video if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think about this method. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.